Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you the location of the starter fuse and the starter relay. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. To access the fuses, you want to remove the cover. To do that, you have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You want to press them together and leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover, you also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, and the starter fuse will be this fuse right here, fuse number 1725 amp, and this is the starter relay. To test the relay, you can use the multimeter. If you don't have one, you can just temporarily try to replace it with the relay of the same kind and just see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay and replace it. If both the fuse and the relay are good, then you want to dig a bit deeper. You want to check the wiring towards the starter, the electrical connections, and the starter itself. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.